Wagwan, my name is Dreycosting. It's the first time over here. What we do over here is to analyze the financial market. Like, chop it up in pieces so each and everyone can understand. You know we do it on a Friday already. So we dress down and relax. Financial corner. So, today, in the financial corner, right? We're gonna just hold a simple reasoning, right? So what's your reasoning now? What are some of the stuff that you can do to make some money without startup capital? How you can make some money without even have money to start? Right now, for 2021, we have a saying going right now. We got the YouTuber. It's either you can do it or you want to do it. Right? Let me break down the dialect for you. It's either that you cannot do it or you don't want to do it. Back to the dialect. It's either you can do it or you want to do it. Watch me now. I'm going to give you a list of stuff that you can actually do to make some money without having capital. First one, YouTube. Yes, YouTube. For those of you that still living under a rock, YouTube actually pays. So from once you reach 1,000 subscribers, get up to 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period, then YouTube will reach out to you to be partnered with them, right? Where you could get funding from adverts and so on, right? So that is one thing. Next, affiliate marketing, right? So a lot of companies now doing affiliate marketing. Like you have your Amazon, your Walmart, etc., right? So all you could do, you could get that affiliate link, drop it in your YouTube videos, drop it on your Instagram, your Facebook, etc. Once a person click that affiliate link and go purchase a product, then that company gives you back a percentage from that sale. Doesn't that seem so simple? You don't need any capital to do that. We're not taking no more excuse for 2021. In 2020, there was a lot of excuse talking about, oh, corona this, corona that. Come on now, cut the crap now, man. Cut the crap. It's either you can do it or you want to do it, right? So I'm saying to you this. Let's move on to the next thing. eBay. eBay is a simple platform where you can go and create an account for free, like literally free. So you might have some little stuff around the household that you don't want anymore, but it's of value to someone else. You could sell that on eBay right away, making some money. Not saying that you're going to be a millionaire from it or anything, but guess what? It's still income. Any income is better than no income, correct? It's either you can do it or you want to do it, right? Are you a person that has a skill? Do you have a skill set? Can you teach something? Watch me again. You have Fiverr. You can go to fiverr.com and share a skill. Are you a graphic designer? Are you an accounting teacher? A math teacher? An English teacher? Can you build websites? And I can go on whatever skills you have. You can go sell that service on Fiverr. Looking at the next one, the same thing, Udemy. You could go to Udemy and sell your skill as well. There's no excuse not to make some money in 2021. No excuse. It's either you can do it and you want to do it. Get up off that couch, stop watching TV, watching other people making money. Because when you sit down watching TV all day, wasting your time away, you cannot replace time. You're actually watching other people making money. Next on the list, you have Shopify. Watch me now. I know a lot of people, they have a huge social media following and they're still dying of hunger. Cut out the crap now, man. It's either you can do it or you want to do it. Shopify. Go register account with Shopify. Print on demand. You could set up your products right there. So you don't own inventory. You don't need any capital to start. You don't own any inventory. So whenever somebody comes to your website to buy a t-shirt, a hat, a mug, etc., what happens is that whenever that purchase is made, then Shopify now print it on demand and send it to the customer. They take their cut, you get your cut. It doesn't need any capital to start. No more excuses in 2021. It's either you can do it or you don't want to do it. So guys, I've just laid out just a few examples of how you can make money without money to start with, that is. This video need no outro. Big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm out.